Hi, I'm Troy Vanos and I'm a high ticket affiliate marketing coach and I want to help you make money online. So today we're talking about affiliate marketing for beginners step by step, and there's 5 huge steps that if you take today, you can succeed online and make a really nice income. So before we dive straight in, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified of the latest videos coming right at you. So step number 1, invest in yourself. This is huge. When you start out in affiliate marketing, nobody's going to do all the work for you, and the quickest way to get results and hit the ground running in affiliate marketing is to invest in yourself. So not only will you need to invest your time, but invest some money, as much as you can save to get things going. When you invest in yourself, you can fast track the results you get online. Yes, it's true, you can go out there and you can get lots of free content. You can subscribe to YouTube videos, blog posts, subscribe to newsletters, and delve into all the information out there and educate yourself as much as possible. Yes, that's important. By investing in yourself or investing in a program, which I'll touch on in a moment, this will fast track the results you're able to get online. One of the biggest things that you can do for yourself this year is invest in yourself. You're the only one that can do it, but if you invest in yourself, you can educate yourself up and really fast track the results you get online and improve your financial situation. You don't need experience, you don't need great tech skills, you don't need to be a certain age or have a college education. You just need to start today by investing in yourself, and you can make a great income. You can start today and invest in yourself and start making a nice income and really turn around your financial position. So investing in yourself is a huge thing to do, especially now in 2023. But if you invest in yourself today, I promise you in 12 months time, your financial position will be a lot different. Step number 2, should you do high ticket affiliate marketing or low ticket affiliate marketing? Well, for me, it's high ticket affiliate marketing. And let me explain. With high ticket affiliate marketing, you're usually looking at products or programs of $1,000 or more, and quite often they pay commissions of at least or around 50%. So that's on a $1,000 product, that's $500 per commission. On low ticket, you're looking at products around $50, maybe $100, even less than that. And if you get a 50% commission there, you're looking at either $25 or $50. But here's the thing, it takes the same amount of effort to make a sale on a high ticket product as it does a low ticket product. On a high ticket product, you can literally make 5 or 6 sales a month, which will equate to what a 9 to 5 income might be. Now, to do that on a low ticket product, you've got to make hundreds upon hundreds of sales just to get anywhere near what a 9 to 5 income would earn you. So high ticket, same amount of effort to get leads, to get prospects, same amount of effort to get the end result. So for me, high ticket affiliate marketing is a much better way to go. Yes, it is going to cost you a little bit more to invest to begin with, but it will save you time and money in the long run. So for me, when you're starting out, high ticket affiliate marketing is the best way to go to get the results that you want online. Step number 3, invest and work with a mentor. In any good high ticket affiliate marketing program, it's best to work with someone that has already gotten results. A mentor, someone to look up to who's already been on the path that you want to go on, that's achieved results and has a system and a process in place that's working and is making them money. So to fast track the results you get online, work with a mentor and they can guide you on the best course of action to take. Yes, you could try and figure it out on your own, but you're going to be doing a lot of trial and error. Things won't work, some things might work, and you're going to spend a lot of time trying to figure out the best way to go. When you work with a mentor, someone that's already successful, you don't have to do the trial and error. They've already done that part of it. They can give you the steps and the processes for you to follow, which you can just model to your own, and you can fast track the results you're going to get online. So investing and working with a mentor is critically important. It doesn't matter what niche you're working in, make money online, weight loss, finance, whatever it is, cooking, it doesn't matter. Work and invest with a mentor who has demonstrated proven results online in what you're looking for. I'm in the high ticket affiliate marketing space, which is the make money online space. I work with a mentor and he has guided me on the right steps to take, which has really fast tracked the results I've been able to get. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to touch on how you can work with myself and my team and my mentor and get those kind of results yourself. But always work with a mentor to fast track your progress so you can get results much quicker. Step number 4, post content consistently. If you want to get results in the affiliate marketing space, This is a critical step. You must be posting consistently, whatever social media platform you're working on, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, doesn't matter. You need to post consistently, preferably on more than one platform, but you need to be posting regularly. These social media platforms, they love content, absolutely love content. It sends signals to the algorithm that you're updating fresh content. They love fresh content, and the more you give them, the more they will push it out to a bigger audience, enabling you to get leads and prospects, which will then come into your business and you can make money. If you just post for 1 or 2 days and then you take a week off and come back to it, the algorithms will not like that. They like daily, consistent content, so you can keep things regular, and they will keep pushing it out to their audience, to your audiences. But if you don't post consistently, they will not push it out to more people. The more consistent you are, it will build up, and eventually what you'll get happen is what's called social media momentum, and your videos will just get pushed out to more people. You may even go viral, but you will get a lot more people interested in what you have to say and what you have to offer, and you'll have people actually chasing you instead of you having to chase them, which is a pretty cool thing. But you must post your content consistently, whether that be a video form content or written content, whatever it is. Be consistent so your audience can expect something from you. Now, whatever platform you're on, platforms like TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, it depends on what you're doing. TikTok likes very regular content daily, same with Instagram. Facebook, every day or two can work pretty good. YouTube doesn't necessarily have to be every day, but whatever platform you are focusing on, be very consistent. Give the algorithms what they want. They want content. The more fresh content they want, the more they'll push it out. They are competing with each other more than ever online. TikTok's competing with YouTube, YouTube's competing with Instagram. They're all competing for your business. So if you can give them fresh content regularly, they're going to keep pushing it out, and it's going to increase the results you're able to get online. Step number 5, the follow-up. This is the last one in the affiliate marketing for beginners step-by-step. The follow-up. This is huge, so important. Whatever you do, do not skip this step. I can't tell you how many times it's happened to me because my follow-up has resulted in a sale and a commission for me because I continued to follow up with people. People these days are busy. They're always busy with family, with work, social engagements, whatever it is. People are busy. You need to follow them up. I'm not saying follow them up every single day or every 5 hours, but you need to have some sort of schedule in place following them up. It might be once a week, might be once a fortnight. Even if you're at least commenting on some of their posts on social media, so it sends signals to the algorithm that you two are connecting with each other. Whatever it is, you need to be doing some form of engagement to follow up your prospects who have shown an interest in what you have to offer. Usually this is because of an opt-in of a free video or whatever it is they asked from you because they were interested. You should have a name and email address, and you should be able to follow them up regularly, whether it's via email or via Messenger or any sort of chat service, a Facebook group, whatever it is, but follow up with them regularly. Diarize it either manually or digitally. But you need to follow up with prospects, because guess what? They might not buy anything from you at all this week or even next week, even a month's time, maybe not even 3 months time or 6 months time. But if you keep a good rapport with people, maybe even in 12 months time, they will buy from you. I've had people that have been following me for 6 months and taken no action. And because I kept a good relationship with them, I kept talking to them and keeping the communication channels open, when they were ready, they've come and sought me out and we've done business together. So the follow-up is absolutely huge. Don't skip this and just focus on getting new leads. You need to go deep with your existing leads, keep the relationship strong, follow them up, let them know you're still around, you're still happy to help them and support them no matter what. And if you do that, this will result, I should say, in a lot more sales. This is what people want. They want a good relationship with someone that's not pushy, asking them to buy, just a friendly hello, how you going? And this will result in a lot more sales, and you'll be able to make a lot more money online. So there you have it, the 5 steps to succeeding for affiliate marketing for beginners. Now, if you want to work with myself and my team on how I can help you fast track your results with high ticket affiliate marketing, I'll have a link in the description, or you can drop a comment down below, #training, and I will get back to you. When you work with my team, you'll get all the latest training that's targeted at different levels, beginner, intermediate, and advanced, depending on whatever level you're at. You don't need experience, you don't need to be great with tech skills, any sort of special background. You can hit the ground running today and work with a team of successful entrepreneurs that are making money online right now. So if you want to work with myself and my team, drop that comment down below. There'll also be a pinned link for a free training. There'll also be down in the description, there'll be a link to a free training showing you the best ways to make money online this year in affiliate marketing. I highly encourage you to watch that training. I know that's going to help you get fantastic results online. So make sure you drop those comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.